New on 2 News at 5 this Memorial Day, honoring veterans by taking care of their families. It's happening at the Patriot Golf Course in Owasso. 2 News reporter Marla Carter tells about a foundation that pays tribute to veterans who serve.
Karen, celebs, and golf pros teed off to support the organization. But it seems the real star is behind the scenes.
You don't have to go through this experience to know that.
Ed Polito says he has a lot to be thankful for and expressed that thanks at the 9th hole. He thanked those who've served.
Well, welcome home. You know, that was the forgotten war, too.
And those who are supporting their service.
Thank you for all that.
Like the celebrities and players who teed off for his charity, Folds of Honor.
It's certainly tougher when the wind's blowing, and it makes it a challenge, but, you know, we're out here to have fun and raise money for Folds of Honor Foundation, and that's what it's all about.
The program provides scholarships for families of injured vets.
We feel like the families are left behind sometimes, and we want to make it right for them.
It's something that means a lot to Ed, especially since he's a vet himself.
Thank you. Thank you.
Admiration over what happened to Major Ed in August of 1994, when he was hit by an IED in Iraq.
The dust, the smoke, the chaos, all of those things are what transpires in you, and a lot of people don't understand that I live with that, and I will live with it for the rest of my life.
But it wasn't just the emotional scars Major Ed had to heal from, but also the physical ones. It took him a year just to learn how to use his leg.
I think some people think you could still do everything you can. I got to tell you that's not necessarily true, but I can do as much as I can.
It's that can-do attitude and his pride as a vet that he wears every day. And the device, it's pretty high-tech.
It also has an onboard computer, microprocessor, and it also has to be charged.
While adjusting to it, he was glad there was one thing he didn't have to worry about.
My 2 little girls have benefited from the Folds of Honor scholarships, and they will have the educational needs met.
Now he's giving back, traveling across the country for the foundation.
I'm just so grateful that I was given a second chance and an opportunity to be with my little girl and to hug her and kiss her and tell her that I love her.
If you'd like more information about Folds of Honor, just go to KJRH.com. Marla Carter, 2 News works for you.